The black sand everywhere. When the sun's out, this sand gets really hot. But it's still comfortable for walking because you walk around the water. Let me show you a couple of really unique structures right on the beach here. So here's where we are. And then you can see this beautiful vista here. And another one over there. Really cool. No one's getting over that fence though, pretty sharp. All right, almost back to Coronado Bay. That was a good little walk. Didn't get stranded either, which was nice. So this is Coronado Beach. And as you can see, it's never very crowded. And this is December the 15th, I think we're at right now. So we'll have to see exactly what happens in January, but so far it's pretty sleepy, pretty quiet, beautiful beach, great for walking on. And real close to my condominium that I'm staying at. That was a big one. Oh, geez.